Group 8. I'm Wafula Rose. Our title was Water Conservation, Growing Vegetables Using Water Conservation Structure. Introduction. The project undertaken was growing or planting of kales using drip irrigation as water conservation structure. The reasons were to conserve water that was wasted in the college community, and it was also reusing of waste plastic bottles for drip irrigation that was polluting the environment. The college members were interacted with, and the reasons for interaction: one, we had Madam Stella Sikuku, Chief Principal, who provided the land, then offering overall coordination of the project. Then we had Mr. Luke Uwera and Mr. Bill Clinton, who were the agricultural teacher. They were providing guidance and assistance where necessary. We have Mr. Ambrose, the storekeeper, providing tools and equipments. Mr. Odhiambo, the nursery attendant, providing of seedlings. And Kevin Odhiambo, in charge of water, providing water for watering seedlings. Then lastly, we had Grace Atino, the college security, providing security during the project and to the teacher trainees. So what struck the mind during the identification and planning and the implementation of the project was the urge of taking care of the environment. The situation at the project site before project and after project implementation: before, the land was bushy, deserted, eroded, and not even under agricultural use. And after the project, the aesthetic value of the land increased the land because the land also became fertile and soil was also conserved. How different the group was after completing the project compared when they started: better problem-solving skills were achieved, that is teamwork and unity. Then there was development of core competencies such as communication and collaboration. The community members' responses and what the responses made them feel: they were appreciative of the initiative taken by us and made them feel positive toward the project. What attracted the college community members to be part of the project was the problem directly affected them. And then what they have learned about themselves during identification, planning, and implementation of the project is that they are competent enough to identify and solve the environmental problems affecting them. How they are different from other groups and how the difference helped or hindered their group is that they had good cooperation among each. We had good cooperation among each other. Hence, this helped us to work together smoothly as we combine knowledge from each other. Then the connection the project had with what was learned in agriculture and other subjects: we had home science, the cleaning of the environment; mathematics, measurements in the land and the spacing of the seedlings; then language, that is communication and collaboration; and CRA, caring for the environment. What they have learned about community issues or problems: the problems are workable and can be solved. Also, problems bring people together as they work together, getting the solution. Then what would do differently if they oversaw similar project in the future? First, there could be fencing of the land to protect the kales from being destroyed by the animals. Then spraying of the kales, of course, to kill the pests. Then best and worst thing that happened during the project identification, planning, and implementation: the best thing was that gaining of the skills, knowledge, and competencies. And then the worst was time was limited. There was adverse weather condition like rainy weather. Then looking for bottles was tiresome. Then conflicts they had during the project, what caused it and how they solved it was inadequate tools and equipment, and how it was solved. It was resolved by ensuring equal distribution of the available tools, that is 2 jembes per group. Explaining how the experience of the project applied to other situations in their lives: the problem-solving skills were acquired, which made it possible to acquire similar problems. The next step after the project is guiding the community to identify more sites for practicing agriculture, and then sensitizing the community in the importance of conserving water using water conservation structure. Thank you.